All right, I went to the train show, then I went to scale model, and it occurred to me that this shaft that we've had so much trouble with is 5/64. And we should have known this because a Rivarossi of this age, we know those shafts are 5/64 from working on the Kraus Mafia. And we know that the motor shafts are 5/64. Now, what I did then, because at scale model, they had this here, aluminum tube, and see where it says 2.38 millimeters? Well, it occurred to me that what if I was to extend this tube or extend this shaft a little bit by using a piece of steel tubing or aluminum tubing or even brass or whatever I could do. All I need to do is extend it a little bit enough so that this 2 millimeter shaft could be mated using some of our silicone hose. Since we don't have to worry about it flexing back and forth, we can use this just as a connector, and it stretches pretty good. So what I want to do is, since I know from our chart up here on our guy right there, let's zoom in to where we see 5/64. All right, there's 5/64. As you can see, just above 5/64 is the number 48. Just below it is the number 47. Now, we have a drill bit set. We've got this drill bit set here that we use for a lot of stuff. And I think I got this at Harbor Freight. 60-piece index set. All right, so I took I do believe we have the number 48 out. And I put it in my screwdriver here. All right, now on the end of this tube, I'm going to try to bore it. I was going to do this on the lathe, but turns out we can actually do that right here and see what happens. I bored it out a little bit already. I think we're on the right track. And it doesn't need to be bored too far. We want to bore it as much as we can without wrecking it. And then 48 just barely fits right there, nice and snug. Oh, I think we have it. I think we have a solution. It fits nice and snug. And now this snug fit, I mean, it's not too snug, but this is something we could use a super glue on. We don't have to get too close to the shaft, but if we used a little super glue on this, this might hold. That right there might hold. And that's what we're going to try here. And then we can figure out how far it has to go. Because on the other end, 2 millimeter. Like, did we see that? Yeah, we did. Okay, a 2 millimeter we just need to bore that just a little bit to 2 millimeter. And we got plenty of tube now. So we can test and retest. That's what I think is going to happen, is we're going to end up with a little collar here that we can then, I'll show you just on the regular tube here, that we can go ahead and this here will fit over this and grab on nicely. We might have to ream that in just a tiny bit, but it will fit. It will fit there. And if it does, and it grabs, which it does grab, we'll be good to go. So we're going to try that and see if we can't make a little guy, and then just a tiny dot of super glue is going to hold him, and we don't even have to get all the way up to the bearing. There's just a spot, I can feel it, where it goes over that D-shaped end, and that'll hold. And as you know, as we found out, super glue, 48 hours is a full cure. You get the instant cure right, and then you get the full cure in 48 hours, and that's where we are. I think we've got something here, and we're going to be able to mount the motor pretty quick.